This is a dark mode toggle. One component, one trigger, two animated properties. I am building it in Rive, and by the end of this video you will see why this can't be done in Lottie. I am starting with the base, a round and rectangle, a simple circle sitting on the left side of the pill with a bit of padding. I am swapping the flat background for a gradient, purple to lavender. This is a small choice, but gradient animate beautify in Rive. Now the important part, state machines. This is where Rive separates itself from every other animation tool. I am creating two states, off and on, like dark mode and light mode, and one trigger input. That single trigger is going to drive everything.